Sankhya and Yoga are not two different paths. Ekamapyasthita samyak. If you consistently live on one, choose anyone. Upayor vindade bhalam. You gain the fruit of both. The statement is deliberately made that way. Why? Arjuna's enthusiasm increases. How can I? Both the roads, two different ways, and in both the roads, any road you pursue, you will reach the destination of both. How can that be? It can be because both the roads lead to the same peak. It can be. Or it can be as it is happening now. Isn't it? Number 101, highway itself becomes highway 43. Why? A board is kept there. The same road. How can I reach 43? You pursue 101. No, but 101 is not 43. You go. After Wimbledon, that road is called 43. You pursue Mahatma Gandhi Road, you will reach Nehru Road. Right? The earlier part is called Mahatma Gandhi Road. The same road is called Nehru Road. Now how am I to reach Nehru Road? You pursue Mahatma Gandhi Road. What are you talking nonsense? Mahatma Gandhi Road and Nehru Road are two different roads. Yes, you pursue any one of them, you will reach the other. Why? Because the same road is called by two names. See? Thus, if you consistently pursue Karma Yoga, you will reach the Jnana Yoga, where the Jnana Yoga will take you. The path of contemplation will take you. Or you pursue the path of contemplation, you will gain the results, the purification of the mind which you can gain through Karma Yoga. Both of them give you the same and take you the same goal or destination.